Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a filter to a table, all right, in Microsoft Excel. So a filter, we all know what a filter is. It helps you to modify the content of a column, all right. So in this table, this work that I'm doing currently here, I have 4 columns. These are columns, okay. Then these lines are rows. The vertical are column, the horizontal are rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So now, why do we add filter? We add filter to simplify our work. All right. If you focus, it helps you to narrow down to a particular criteria on a table. So let's say, for example, without wasting much of your time, how do I add filter to a table? Now, first of all, you highlight the heading, all right, the title of the table or of each column. Highlight the title of the columns, then you simply go here. You can see sort and filter. Click on the drop down here, then click on filter. Now you will notice a change. There's a drop down button here on each of these heading of each of these column here. So you've successfully added a filter to it. All right, so let's practicalize how to use this filter here. Now let's say we have a list of 9 names here showing their full names, their gender and country where they come from. All right, so now let's say you want to filter out only those from the United States. So you uncheck this select all here, then select only United States, then click OK. Now it will filter out only details of those from the United States as a country. All right, now if you want to get it all back, you come and check select all. It will bring out all of your details. All right, click it again. Then if you unselect all, then you select only those in Germany, click OK. It will give you details of those in Germany. Now if you are working with a large data set, this helps you to simplify your data. All right, so and another thing I want to tell you before I end this video quickly, you can easily use filter on multiple columns. Like for instance, let's say we want to filter out those from US alone. You apply filter the first time here. All right, okay, now these are details of those from USA alone. Now what if you want only female? You can still come to this gender column, click on it. You can see it selected both male and female, so you select only female. Now this will narrow from 3 to 2. It's showing you only female. All right, so these are the total number of females from USA. Okay, otherwise if this is being selected as all, it will show you both male and female. Male, 1 male, 2 females. All right, so you can use, imagine we are having, let's say, 15 columns. You can apply filter on each of these columns to simplify your work, and it's a beautiful thing. Personally, I feel like this is one of the best features that I love using when it comes to clarity and simplification of your work in Microsoft Excel. So I've shown you how to add filter and what filter is used for in Microsoft Excel. If you find value in this video, do well to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.